Hey, y'all. We got Dodge on Dodge in the parking lot. So, y'all. Older body Dodge. Yeah, I mean, when I say classic, that's a classic right there. Real classic. It's clean, too. What's up, bro? That's clean. I like that. That's an old classic right there. That's yours?
Yeah.
Oh man, it's clean. I do YouTube. I do YouTube, so when I looked at it, I'm like, damn, Dodge on Dodge on Dodge.
Yeah, mine's on there, shit.
Yeah. Hey, my channel is Smokin Metal CarFun, just so you know. I'll tell you again before you leave. Yeah, he already been mudding. I ain't did none of that yet this year, but yeah, my man, he got some nice wheels on it. I think he got the 20s on it. Yes, he do. See, 20s look good. It don't need a whole lot to it. He got the tail markers that I want, them the tail lights that I need. But man, it's clean. It's clean as hell. My son probably in the store like, what dad doing now? He got a nice lift on it too. I see it. Got them arms. You see the rough country. Yes, indeed. The young man got rough country. Nice lights. Yeah. Yeah, clean too. I already know. Once he washes, that's motherfucker clean. Look at, oh my goodness. Hey, puppy. Hey, the puppy. Look at him. I'll come over and say hello to you. You smell my puppies on me, don't you? All right.
He's a chaos.
Oh, yeah, I bet it. Beautiful. Hey, buddy. How are you? Yeah.
What did you say?
Smoking.
Or you can either let Chris or Terry over there. They looked up my numbers.
Okay.
You said $800?
38.
38. I was about to say, shit.
Yeah,
Wait a minute, hold up. I think I might have it. Let me go and check the bank account. But yeah, 3,800. That's clean. Oh, that's real clean. Yeah, that's my. Yeah, that's my toy. My little work truck, project truck. Yeah.
Whenever I get gas, I always got
Like there's a quarter stuck on the edge. I mean, a 5 stuck on the edge, like it's sitting on the ramp. I'm out.
You didn't win that?
It's sitting on the ramp.
Oh, it's on the ramp.
Yeah, it's stuck.
All right.
Whenever I get gas,
I got you. Hey. Well, go get my card and get grab $40 off the bank so that way I can get the money for Nita. But yeah, the channel called Smokin Metal CarFun.
Smokin Metal CarFun?
Yep, SMOKIN Metal, which you already know, and then CarFun, all one word.
Okay, Smokin Metal CarFun. Yeah,
yep, I do my little YouTube. I go to the scrap yard. I show that shit. I've been go get $40 out.
You from here?
Yeah, I just moved up here about a few years ago. Yeah, get 40 out the ATM.
What, from down south?
Baltimore. Moved up here and like right up you know where Davisville?
Yeah, Old South.
3.
Yeah,
that area. Yeah, I'm up in that area.
Right.
I just be toying around with it, trying to work on it, you know, making my own.
Exactly.
My first actually pickup truck. You know what I mean? I done had all other kind of trucks and shit, but this is my first pickup truck.
Yeah.
So me and my son been working on it, and he crashed it while he tried to get his license and shit. Well, he didn't crash it while he was trying to get it. He had his permit, and then he went over some little chick house in my little trailer park, and he backed up into a motherfucking tree on me. And I'm like, nigga. Trying to tell me somebody stole my truck. I mean, came and ran into the back of it and kept going. I'm like, nah, bro. I ain't got no tail lights, no nothing on the ground. You crashed my truck, so the passenger side is fucked up. I had him weld the patch on it so I could get it. Yeah, on the other side.
Take a look.
Yeah. John.
I like the light.
Yeah, that was one of the upgrades I put on it. I got a lift kit for it, but I haven't put it on it yet. I was waiting on it to get warm.
We gotta get this off of there,
this
bro.
This thing back into it. Bow! And so I was either going to change this whole fucking piece instead of getting rid of the bed.
Yeah,
because you really just have to take this off and switch it out.
Yeah.
Weld the new
a lot of
one
people
on.
don't know this is just a panel.
Yeah, that's all it is. So I'm looking at them for cheap or at the scrap yard, and I ain't did it yet. That's my plan for the summer. He had my custom lights. Look, check me out. This how ghetto fabulous I am. This belong on that side.
Oh shit. That's right. No, that's right.
And the other light that was supposed to be over here was broke. So I was like, fuck it. I'm gonna take that and put that one over there. And while I imagine, guess what? Police done pulled me over. He ain't never gave me a ticket. Long my lights work.
Yeah, it worked.
You know what I mean? So I have actually new ones to put on it, but I just haven't. It's been cold. What's wrong?
Yeah. This is what I get
Got
into,
out of
bro.
the machine. Huh?
This is what I get into, man.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna hit you up, man.
Definitely, man. You got a phone on you?
Yeah,
I give you my number.
814. Oh, well, it's in the truck.
Shit.
Just take mine.
Take that phone, get in there. Yeah, cause I ain't gonna put it on hand.
Yeah,
I don't know. But y'all, I'm gonna end this video off right here, and I'll catch y'all in a minute. What's up, guys? This your boy CeeLo from Smokin Metal CarFun, back at y'all with another Smokin Metal CarFun video. Hopefully everybody having a great day. Yeah, trying to get back into it. Been gone for a minute. Just tidbit here, tidbit there. You know I should put out a little bit more videos, but you know, it's life. That's the way things is. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. But we back. Hopefully we back rolling and back in action. But in the meantime, y'all see, I'm not in the same spot y'all see me in. A little bit upgraded, but we'll get into that later. Your boy, I got a little bit of a package in the mail. Hopefully you guys is in the building and y'all watching. But yeah, got a little bit of a package in the building from CJ on 32's channel. We hoping that it was gonna be a winter chicken dinner, but it wasn't. So maybe next time. Wait a minute, y'all. Let me get y'all situated. Trying to work this stabilizer. But we got a package from my man CJ on 32's. Didn't win, but we still came up at the same time that the giveaway went down. But still excited, still here to support. You know, didn't win, but still here to support, yo. So yeah, we got our package. Let's check it out, y'all. I ain't ordered nothing serious. This is the first time I did the merch giveaway. I got my keychain, 32 Gang ENT. What y'all think about that? That's nice. Let y'all check it out. I like the weight of it. This is pretty cool. Like I said, even though I didn't win, I still here to support, yo. You know what I mean? And we got the air fresheners. Yes, indeed. I got watermelon. So, being as though my son, got his first vehicle, I guess we'll give him one. Go ahead and throw one of these 32 gangs up inside his truck. I ain't smelt them yet, just so you know. He said they smell good. Just the watermelon joint. You wanna check it out. It do smell good. Nice. This gonna go in the Ram. Wish it would have been one of those TRXs, but it's still a Dodge. So it's gonna go in my Ram. Yeah, the watermelon smells good. And the other one gonna go in my son's Ram. No need to open that one up and smell it. But yeah, this is where we at. So I'll let you put this one in your truck. So yep. Pretty cool.
Not a Ram.
It's a Dodge. It's a Dodge Dakota. but we're gonna let them put one of these in there. But I like this keychain. It's gonna go right there with Gabe Turbo on my keychain. See, I didn't win with him either, but still here to support. So, with that being said, go check his channel out. Support if you can. I do it when I can. I usually do the straight entries. This is the first time I did the merch. So, but he got some merch I definitely want to check out. I need the hoodies. Yeah, so keep doing your thing, bro. Boy from Smokin Metal CarFun. I'm out. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Go back.
Go.
Alright, y'all, but while y'all going to check out his channel, make sure y'all go check out Smokin Metal CarFun channel. Y'all see I got the merch too, just so y'all know. Usually you can't see, I let my son hold the camera. But this is what you get on the back. So, I don't know if I need to move the hoodie for y'all.
Just a little bit.
But, hopefully, y'all go check out the channel. Support, I do have the website. It's called, what is it called? It's been so long.
We'll put it on the link on the screen somewhere.
Yeah, I'll put it on the
because
link.
I can't
That's
remember.
bad, right? That's bad. So, it's your boy CeeLo from Smokin Metal CarFun. I'm out. Peace.